Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today we are going to be looking at Chainlink or Link. Link is currently at the $9.89 level. We are currently ranked at 15 with a market cap of about $6 billion. Today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Chainlink. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So for Chainlink in the last 1 week, we are down about 10.3% right here. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Chainlink versus the USD dollars when the weekly time frame Binance is the data source, right? And one of the things we can see right here for Chainlink, basically right here, especially when we saw the EMAs, our trending EMAs turned bearish on the weekly. We were seeing with a very high likelihood we were coming to retest the 200 EMA, and as you can see, usually if the 200 EMA is not usually at the support level, we could go right back down to the support level next to the 200 EMA. And for Chainlink in this case, this is currently at around that $8.2 to $8 level, so we could just see a basically one last push to the downside, capitulated move, and then we see a continuation push to the upside, right? And I'll tell you one of the reasons why we could just see one last push to the downside before we saw or see that capitulation to the downside, before we see that continuation to the upside, right? One of the things we were seeing right here on our momentum chart was that we were seeing massive buy volumes coming in right here, which said this consolidation was massively bullish and we were expecting a massive push to the upside. We saw that push to the upside right here, as you can see, and currently going into 2024, we saw the selling price action going on basically right here on our momentum chart, saying that the bears were still in control, and basically we have seen that continue, seeing that massive push to the downside right here in favor of the bears. And as you can see, we have just continued straight down to the downside in favor of the bears, right? And so currently we are expecting a push for our Chainlink to around that $8 range. Also, if we just flip over to this chart, as you can see right here on this chart, we don't have much buy volume kicking in right here at this level. Our next massive buy volume is around the $8.12 level. So basically we could just see prices see one more week into that level before we see any sort of continuation right back to the upside for Chainlink. So we should be expecting to buy Chainlink at around that $8 level right here, one last capitulation before we see any sort of reversal to the upside. So basically volume wise and basically just price action wise, we are still expecting one more drop towards that $8 region before we start seeing some sort of consolidation and then a reversal for Chainlink. So that's the update right here on Chainlink. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.